Thank you very much, brother. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Just do me a favor. You cannot record it inside the precincts. If you want to go outside with the camera, you can, but you can't have.
You kicking me out?
I'm not kicking you out. You can stay here, but you can't record inside the precinct.
I'm not going inside if you bring me the form out.
All right, I'll bring the form.
Okay, thank you. Huh?
You're inside the precinct, right?
You should put up some signs then.
Well, I'm telling you right now.
Is that a law or rule?
Yes.
It's a law?
Yeah.
What law is that?
You cannot record inside a department facility.
Can you back it up with a penal code?
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm your host Peeps, and today we have cops getting savagely owned by well-informed citizens. And oh, there's a very satisfying walk of shame at the end of the video. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. Leave a comment and a like to help this video spread for others to enjoy. As always, I will leave the links to all the original videos in the description below, so be sure to visit their channels and show them your support. Now let's get into the video.
Okay, so how can I help you?
I'm here to pick up a complaint form.
Okay.
A complaint form.
Okay, hold on a second. I'll do that.
Complaint form.
A complaint report? Okay, what kind of complaint report?
I want to make a complaint against an officer.
Oh, you want to make a complaint against who?
I can't tell you that.
Do you have a name? Against what? An officer? Somebody?
Yeah, an officer.
Okay. But you know the name of that officer?
Yeah.
Okay. And you record it, right?
I have to because it was a big issue.
Okay, but you understand this is a police station, right? It's
Yeah.
not like you're allowed to record everything out on the street, but not in the police station. You know that, right?
I don't see no signs, so that's why I'm still recording.
Okay, sir. So can you turn off the camera, please? This is the police station. Can you?
I can't turn it off. I have an issue against you guys.
Okay, but you understand that this is a police station, right?
Yeah, it's public, right?
No, it's not public.
It's not public?
Public is outside.
How you doing, Your Honor? My name is such and such, good citizen. I'm over here to pick up a complaint form, and he's trying to kick me out because I have a camera. Okay, what was you saying?
Sir, I'm asking you to turn off the camera. You're not supposed to record over here.
Your Honor, I cannot turn off the camera because I'm here to complain against an officer, so I have a big deal. You'll see it once all the paperwork is processed. I can't turn it off, bro.
You understand what I'm saying?
I understand what you're saying, but is that a rule, a law?
I just explained it to you.
Is that a law?
Yes.
What law is that?
Okay, you're not allowed to record in here. That's it.
But can you give me a law? Can you back it up with a penal code?
Okay, what is it that how can I help you?
Again, I need a complaint form. I'm making a complaint against an officer. That's all I'm here to pick up. You give me that and I'm out of here.
For that, do you need to record?
I have to because it was a big deal that happened. I don't know what you guys are dirty as hell. Especially you give me unlawful orders.
Just give me a second.
Can you get that for me or no?
Hold on 1 second. Just wait over there, right?
No problem.
Like a complaint against an officer. Sitting on the name. And
All right.
How you doing, sir? Not bad.
You want to make a complaint against an officer?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In regards to what?
I would rather put that in the paper.
You just want the paper. You don't want to report it to us. You want to take.
Not to you. No, not to you because he might be your friend and then it'll get more complicated.
I'll get you the phone number. I'll get you the paper.
Thank you very much, brother. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Just do me a favor. You cannot record it inside the precincts. If you want to go outside with the camera, you can, but you can't have.
You kicking me out?
I'm not kicking you out. You can stay here, but you can't record inside the precinct.
I'm not going inside if you bring me the form out.
All right, I'll bring the form. This is
Okay,
inside
thank
the
you.
precinct.
Huh?
You're inside the precinct, right?
You should put up some signs then.
Well, I'm telling you right now.
Is that a law or rule?
Yes.
It's a law?
Yeah.
What law is that?
You cannot record inside a department facility.
Can you back it up with a penal code?
You cannot record inside.
Can you back it up with a penal? You're a sergeant, brother.
Sir, you cannot. For safety reasons, you cannot record inside this precinct.
Was that a rule?
Yes.
So you upholding rules? That's no good, man. You signed up to uphold the law. But go ahead, let's not get into an argument. Get me what I need.
Okay.
Alright? Yeah, I don't want to make you look more bad. What's your name and badge number?
My name is here.
Huh?
Here's my name, sir.
What's your name and badge number?
Right here, sir.
They didn't give you the badge so people could read it, bro.
I'm showing you my name over here.
Okay, I got the whole world inside this camera. A lot of them don't know how to read. Can you tell them your name, please?
Rodriguez.
What's your badge number?
Right here.
Stop playing, bro. What's your badge number?
I'm showing you right here.
What if I show you a policy that when you're asked by the public, you're supposed to state it?
Okay.
What would you do? Would you state it?
Here's my name and here's my number, sir.
My peoples, his name is here and his number is here. Don't do that, man. You're looking bad. And you're Spanish too, my nigga. You good peoples, man. So why you acting like a tyrant?
Okay.
Give out your name for the people, man. There's a lot of people watching you all over the world. He ain't beat my people. He didn't even give me the form. His sergeant had to get it for me. And then trying to kick me out because they got a rule. Your Honor, they upholding rules, Your Honor. You hear me? They upholding rules, Your Honor. Hey, yo, prosecutor, what we gonna do with these tyrants, man? They upholding rules, Your Honor. He willing to lock me up for a rule. What are we doing?
Wait. Come over here, please.
Yes.
Yeah, I need to stay here, please. Sure.
You need backup? For a camera? That's a shame. What's your name and badge number, man?
White 22307.
Thank you very much for your professionalism. He didn't do that. Even though it's his policy, but he didn't do it. We got people like that. Don't be following up on his orders. It's called tyranny. She good people, my peeps. She good people. All I need is a complaint form against the officer. You don't have to treat me like an enemy, bro. Now I got your name and your badge number. Your name is gonna go in that complaint form, brother. I know you don't care, you don't give a shit, but you're gonna have a complaint in your sheet. That's no good, bro. Should be friendly, bro. I like you guys. The good ones. Like her. Fucking robot, bro. She looks like a human. He looks like a robot. I understand they don't want us recording in here, but first thing you have to do is put up a sign. Alright? So I stay outside as soon as I read it. The next thing you have to do, next to that sign, put up a penal code. Because you signed up to uphold the law. No rules, no policies, my guy. That's making you look bad out there in the whole world, bro. Upholding rules and policy like a security guard, bro. Stop playing with me, man. The law, Constitution. Alright? And the First Amendment is right here, a camera. As soon as you see a guy with a camera, you protect him. You protect him. Especially in a public place like this, bro. Now what is he doing? Is he typing the complaint then, bro, or what? It's supposed to be accessible to the public, bro. It's supposed to be somebody come, pick up a complaint, go, anonymous. Here we go.
Alright.
Thank you very much, sir.
This is the phone number you need to call. 1-800-341-CCRB,
okay?
and they'll walk you through this form. Just need to take your ID so I can write down that I gave you the form.
My ID? No. It's anonymous, brother. It's anonymous. Stop being a tyrant, yeah. Just give me the form, and that's it. You don't know me. You don't know who made the complaint. Okay. Let's keep it anonymous. A lot of people are watching you. So what's your name and badge number?
All right. Very important.
Badge number?
4023.
Thank you very much, brother. You have a good day. You teach him how to state his name. It's a policy, man, for the people. When they ask you, it's a lot of people here worldwide. Okay. I ask him his name, right here, right there. All right. Tell him he got to say it, man. Stop playing with me. Have a good day, guys.
You too.
All right.
Have a good day, sir.
No, get the out of here. I don't know who the you is.
Taking photographs and video of things that are plainly visible in public spaces is a constitutional right. Transparency and accountability should never be chilled out of fear of unwarranted police scrutiny. Photographers and camera-wielding individuals are legally protected through the First Amendment's freedom of speech and press to document freely and unmolested. Unfortunately, law enforcement officers have been known to ask people to stop taking photographs of public places, and those who fail to comply have sometimes been harassed, detained, and even arrested by cops who are uninformed or plainly do not care about our rights or the oath they swore to protect.
Hey, young lady.
Yeah, hey.
How can we help you?
I'm just getting video.
You getting video for?
Just because it's public property.
She said what? Public property.
This is public property. This is not a restricted area.
You can't be back here.
I can. Public property. Public property. It's not a restricted area. I can come on this property and take pictures and video. It's a First Amendment right, and it's lawful.
Young lady, my name is Sergeant Song. What's going on?
I'm taking pictures and video.
For?
I'm a journalist getting content for a story.
You're getting content for a story?
Yeah.
Okay, what kind
Pictures
of
and video of public property. And now public servants.
public service?
Now I'm taking pictures and video of public servants.
Okay. For what purpose?
This is a First Amendment right,
Young lady, you're on police department property.
which is public property.
What can we do for you?
I didn't need anything. I'm just getting pictures and video of public property.
And why would you be doing that for?
To exercise my First Amendment right.
You got to come up with a little more than just your First Amendment
No, I
right,
don't.
because you're taking pictures of.
No, I don't.
You're taking pictures of could be detriment to health and safety of you, of the police department, of the citizens.
The cameras threaten someone's health.
You are if you're posting it online.
I mean, he's taking video of me. I don't feel like it's going to threaten my safety.
This is where I work at. This is what I want to do.
Yeah. This is public property. This is what I want to do.
Guys, back off. Back off. What can we do for you?
I didn't need anything.
Why are you coming up on police department property?
I told you.
This back here is not public
It's not a
property.
restricted area, and it is public property.
It is a restricted area where a scout car
It is
drives.
not. It's not a restricted area.
Young lady, what can we do for you?
I don't need anything.
Where's your car at?
Why would you want to know if I'm driving and if I have a car? What would you do that with that information exactly?
I can see that we're not getting too much anywhere. When you're taking videos of police department property, you got to have a reason for it.
I don't. It's a First Amendment right, and this is public property.
Okay. Ma'am, you're going to have to leave the location.
I'm walking around taking pictures and video of the property.
You're taking pictures of officers' cars. You're taking pictures of a whole bunch
I don't
of
know
other
whose
stuff,
car's whose,
you
but
don't
it's
have-
public property, public view.
That's my point. You're taking pictures of officers' cars.
It
license
doesn't
plates.
matter. It's just public
You can't-
property.
You can't walk around the precinct taking pictures of officers' cars. Ma'am,
I
you're
can
gonna-
take pictures and video on public property. It's a
Ma'am,
First Amendment
I
right.
just watch you take a picture of an officer's car. You need to leave the location.
I don't know if any of these are officers' cars.
That's what my point is. You don't know which cars are which. You don't know if they're UC cars or you don't know if they're personal vehicle cars.
This is public property, and I'm exercising my First Amendment right to take pictures and video on public property
Of
public
vehicles.
property and anything that I can see from public view. That's the First Amendment. It's lawful, and it's a right.
Young lady, you're going to have to leave the property and not take pictures of officers' cars.
I can take pictures and video of anything on public property.
For my blotter, do you have a name, ma'am?
Huh?
What's your name?
I don't need to give you that information.
Yes, you do give it, 'cause
No, I
you're on
don't.
you're on
I'm not doing anything illegal.
You are doing something illegal by taking pictures of officers' cars.
The photography law. Could you quote that photography law for me?
Young lady. I've been very cordial with you.
I've been cordial with you.
What is your name, ma'am?
I don't need to give you that information.
Then you're going to have to leave the location because I don't know who I'm talking to.
You don't need to. I'm just exercising the First Amendment right to take pictures and video of public property on public property.
For what purpose?
I told you.
You got journalist credentials?
Like what?
You got journalist credentials?
Like what?
Who do you work for?
I'm independent.
Do you have credentials?
I don't need to have credentials,
Ma'am.
sir.
The right to record in public spaces is generally considered a protected First Amendment activity, allowing citizens to document events of public interest. As a rule, if you are not interfering with the ability of a public official to do their job and the recorded activity is in public view, then the recording is protected under the First Amendment. Police and other government officials typically do not have a reasonable expectation of privacy when carrying out their public duties. Police cannot detain and ask for IDs without any clear evidence of a crime. To legally detain someone, an officer must have reasonable suspicion that a crime has been or is about to be committed, which means they need specific, articulable facts to justify the stop. To perform even a brief detention of someone, police must meet the requirements as stated and must be able to articulate solid facts that a crime is afoot. Thank you for watching. Leave a comment to keep the conversation going and smash that like and subscribe button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm push these videos out for others to enjoy and helps grow the channel. See you on the next one. Peeps out.